Nature of bond linking in a polymer. There are different type of bonds which link monomers to form polymers. Let us understand the nature of these bonds. Peptide bond. Peptide bond is the bond which is seen in case of proteins. It is formed when the carboxyl group of amino acid is bonded to amino group of the adjacent or the next amino acid. Glycosidic bond. This is the bond which is seen between different monosaccharides. Different monosaccharides link through glycosidic bonds to form polysaccharide. Ester bond. Whenever phosphate in case of nucleosides attached to 3 carbon of sugar and another attachment to 5 carbon of sugar, it gives ester bond. You can see this in the diagram. You can see how phosphate is attaching to 3 carbon of the sugar and to another sugar at 5 carbon. Hydrogen bond. The bond between different nitrogenous bases is hydrogen bond. You can see in the diagram the bond between A and T, the bond between U and C. You can see in the diagram. Dynamic state of body constituents, concept of metabolism. Turnover. Every biomolecule is getting converted into something else, and this making or breaking of biomolecules inside the body is facilitated through chemical reactions, and this whole process is known as metabolism. These chemical reactions are always catalyzed. There is no non-catalyzed chemical reaction or metabolic reaction known, and enzymes act as catalysts. These are nothing but proteins. They act as catalysts. They hasten up the rate of this chemical reaction, and the metabolites, thus they are continuously flowing through these metabolic pathways. These metabolic pathways, they could be circular, they could be singular moving, and whenever metabolites are moving in these pathways, it is known as dynamic state of body constituents, and this is nothing but metabolism. The various examples of this are removal of carbon dioxide from amino acid to make it amine, and hydrolysis of glycosidic bond in polysaccharides.